adore you. I'ma take another zone, get more so. So give a fuck what they say, it's just you and me. I'ma count up this cake, I got killers for pain.
What's good, YouTube? We're back. So today we're gonna button her up. As you can see right here, I threw the OEM muffler on. FMF is great, it's just a little too loud for me right now, especially the places I'm riding. I want to keep it a little bit more low-key. And I'm gonna put that on once I get the flat side carb figured out, because I have the flat side carb in my house, but I gotta rebuild it, so we'll get to that. Let's get these new caps on. I bought these on eBay for, it was like 20 bucks for like 20 of them. I see why they sell them in bulk, because wow, these things are a pain to get on and off. Very easy to strip. Alright, now let's get the carburetor on here. Come on. Why are you being a fucking cunt? Just a stupid thing. The carburetor is on. Next, let's put the header on. Alright, get the gasket installed. Boom. Should have stuck something there to make that thing stick. There we go. Boom. Tighten this down. Alright, now it's left, we just gotta tighten them. That's it. Tight. That's on there. That's on there. That's on there. Alright, exhaust is on. So next, let's throw a spark plug in here. Throw some oil in here, change the oil filter, get some gas in her, and fire her up. See what she sounds like. Get the O-ring back in there. Get her back in there. Get this cover back on. Yep. Just dump some oil in her. Those plugs better be on there, yeah. Oh yeah, they're on there good. We're dumping a full quart in here. I don't care what the haters say. Dude, 850 milliliters, my ass, bro. Quart comes out, quart goes in. That's how you do shit. And there's that. Wow, this is gonna be interesting with this head, bro. This Chinese cylinder head. Yeah. That should be just dandy. Alright, let's get the gas tank on. Let's see how this bitch sounds. Moment of truth. Alright guys, I'm fucking nervous. Let's see if she even fires on. Hopefully that battery's still charged. Fire it on. That's crazy. try it again. Alright guys, let's get the tank on for real this time. There's that. Oh, come on. There's that. Oh, fucker. Come on, don't play, don't play. Boom, boom. I was shocked she fired up the first time. Like that first, boom, turned right over. It's a good sign. Dude, she fired right the fuck up. That's gotta count for something. We'll see if she's still smoky. Might be a little bit of smoke. There's always a little bit of smoke when you do builds like this because it's burning off all the oils and the carb cleaner and all that dumb shit. I might take the fucking Suzuki home tonight and leave the Harley here. But do I want to run it on the highway with that fresh top end rebuild? I don't know, it's pretty ballsy. Let's go. All right, now the plastics. Where's my fairings? Oh, they're right here. And I got a brand new tire sitting at my house, just waiting. And we got the blinkers and the new tail light coming on here soon. It's gonna be a fiesta. Man, that stock exhaust sounds like shit, but I'm planning on doing some night riding some places where I'm not really supposed to be. So I just rather not piss people off right now. All right, there she is, all buttoned up. Let me roll her out and get the Harley in here. Yeah guys, I'm not taking the Harley home tonight, so guess we'll leave this stuff here, take the keys with me, and we'll just dump everything in here. Here she is, all done, all dressed up, firing up as soon as I hit the starter. So let's hop on her and start dicking around. Let's see. Good to one of those. Haven't done one of those in a while. Before I was only able to hit 40 in fucking 5th gear. So let's see how she is now. I wasn't even out of 3rd. I ran out of road. Those valves are starting to quiet down though. Still no smoke, bro. That's crazy. Alright guys, we're gonna take her on the highway. I just cut myself on this fucking mirror. Some people believe in a slow break-in process. Some people believe in a hard break-in process. So I feel like you guys can already guess what type of person I am and what I believe in. So we're gonna send her on the highway. Cheers, man. Let's do it. there you have it. DR200, the top end fully rebuilt, Chinese cylinder head, OEM valves. We're just gonna run her like this for a week or two, do a couple moto vlogs, hit the trails, throw a new tire on, throw the hand guards on, throw the new tail light on with the new blinkers, and we're gonna send her to the woods, man. And after about a week or two, I'll probably go in there and readjust the valves and everything. If you guys are watching this series from the beginning, I appreciate it. If not, go check it out, you know. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thanks, guys. I appreciate the love. Thank you for rocking with me. You know I'm rocking with you. Full Throttle Josh out.